Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hi man! Today we're giving out these books for reading. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare. Hello? Today we're giving out these books for reading. You speak English?
Yeah.
Swedish too?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. My name is Mongol. I'm a monk from Heidelberg Monastery. And this is a book about philosophy. You heard about yoga, meditation?
No.
Never heard about. But yoga, relieving of stress. You heard about reincarnation?
Yeah.
Reincarnation you heard? Buddhism you heard? Oh, that's wonderful. So this Bhagavad Gita is the Bible of the Hindus. Krishna has spoken it. And usually I sell this book in the shop for 300 crowns. But for students and young people, I just give it out and ask for a contribution, a donation to print it. That's all. So you're a world open-minded person, huh? From where you come from? Africa?
Yeah.
Ghana?
No, Gambia.
Gambia, wonderful. So you like to read from time to time?
To read sometimes.
Yeah. And also you believe in God, huh? You're Muslim?
Yeah.
Wonderful. So for Allah you take it, huh? Have a nice day, and maybe you can give a donation for the printing.
Okay. How much is this?
Donation, what you like to offer. I see you're going to become a mother,
Yeah.
so that is a responsibility, huh? So you pray to God, huh? Everything goes right, wonderful. So donation, you can give whatever you like.
Okay.
Most people give 100, some more, some less.
Okay. Are you gonna be here or what?
No, you can take it now. You don't need to wait for me. You just take it and give now a donation.
Yeah, I know, but I don't have the money
Oh,
right
okay.
now with me. That's
Okay,
why
I
I'm
will be
going to
here.
walk
I
now.
will be here, and we may meet us, huh?
Okay. Which
Okay.
time?
So God bless you and
And
your
you
child.
too.
Huh?
Yeah, thank
Hare
you.
Krishna.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Hello. Nice to meet you. Today we're giving out these books here for reading. It's actually for students and young people. You're a student too?
No.
No? But you could be a student. From the intellect, you like to read?
Yeah.
I guess. I myself, my name is Mongol. I'm a friend of Krishna and a monk from Heidelberg Monastery. And this is the famous Bhagavad Gita. You can have a look at it. You know, Bhagavad Gita is 5,000 years old, and it's the Bible from the Hindus.
Okay.
It tells you a lot about how to develop love for God. It tells you about yoga, karma, reincarnation. You may have heard about the subjects. Altogether, it's 700 verses, wisdoms of philosophy and religion. So usually I sell these books in the shop for 300 crowns.
Yeah.
But today I just give it away and ask for a donation, a contribution to print. That's all.
I must tell you, I'm not really interested of it, so I think it's better that you give it to someone.
You may have some friends. Huh? You like a little philosophy, not?
No, then I'll tell them to come by.
Okay.
Thanks.
Have a nice day. Huh?
You too.
God bless you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hello, nice to meet you. Hi. You already got one?
Yeah, I got two.
Two?
Yeah.
That's good. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Hare. Hello, nice to meet you. Today we're passing out here these books. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hello, nice to meet you. You already got one? You're a student? It's for students, yeah. Hello? We're giving out this book for spiritual inclined people. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Hare. Hi, nice to meet you. Hey, yo. We're giving out these books for students and young people. You're a student?
No.
No, but you could be, or?
Yes.
And you also like to read?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Do you give this away?
Yeah, I'm a monk. I'm a monk from Heidelberg, a friend of Krishna. And this is what you have is the famous Bhagavad Gita you may have heard about. It's the Bible from the Hindus. It's 5,000 years old, and it has 700 verses about karma, yoga, reincarnation, and the transmigration from soul. Yeah, it could be interesting for you. You see, usually I sell these books in the shop for 300 crowns each. But today I give it away for young and nice people, and just ask for a donation, a contribution to print it. That's all. So I have a little bag, you can put something in.
Yeah, okay. Har du några mynt på dig? Jag har inga mynt alls. I will see if I have.
Yeah. You're Swedish, huh?
Yes.
Because this is in Swedish written, and we're very proud that we have it in so many languages.
Yes.
You believe in the spirit, in the soul, huh?
I hope.
I hope.
I haven't
That's good.
made up my mind.
Okay. So it's different. Most people they give 100, some more, some less. It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I think I only have this one.
It doesn't matter.
So, but we just take one. We
Yeah.
can share.
You're good friends, huh?
Yeah, we live together.
Hey,
together.
okay.
So very nice of you. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Doesn't matter. There's the address from our temple in Kirchnesgård. There we have every Sunday a feast of love where we dance, where we sing, make meditation, and we invite people for vegetarian food. Very delicious.
Thank you.
I'm a cook. You see, huh? You believe in it?
Yes. I have some coins here.
Oh, yeah, that's okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. So, God bless you
Thank you.
and keep up the spirit, no? Bye.
Thank you.
Hello. Today we're giving out these books for mothers. You look like a mother, and indeed you are a mother.
Yes, I am.
Wonderful. So I'm a monk,
Yes,
a
okay.
monk from Heidelberg, from a Hindu monk, and a friend of Krishna. And what you here have is the famous Bhagavad Gita. It's the Bible of the Hindus, in fact.
Okay.
And it tells you a lot about yoga, karma, reincarnation, how to find peace and love for God.
Yes,
So
okay.
usually I sell it in the shop for 300 crowns, but today I give it away and just ask for a contribution, a donation to print it.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Yeah, you're a really open-minded person, huh?
Yes. Yes, I am. It's always nice to know something.
Yeah.
Something new.
Yeah, that's true.
But of
And he
course,
also looks very curious.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
In that age, they
Yeah.
all are.
Yeah. So most give 100, some more, some less. It's up to you.
I only have 20. I'm sorry.
You give what you can.
Okay, but I give this.
Maybe you find a little more coins or something. Huh? So you're not prepared for that, huh?
No.
I recognize in Sweden they don't have so much cash in the pocket, huh?
No.
It's in
We
Germany
buy
a little
everything
different.
with cards.
Yeah.
today.
So next time you're more liquid and you meet,
Yes.
meet a monk, you
I promise I will.
yeah, you keep up the spirit, huh?
Yes, I will. Thank
God bless you and have a nice day, huh?
Thank you.
Bye.
Same.